Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sync Opera GX with Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Opera GX browser on your computer. Once it launches and you see your main browsing window, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll notice a gear icon positioned on the sidebar. Go ahead and click on this gear icon to open up the settings menu. This is where you'll find all the configuration options for your Opera GX browser, including the sync features we need for this tutorial. After the settings page opens, direct your attention to the left side of the settings interface. Here you'll see a vertical menu with various categories listed. Look for and click on the option labeled synchronization. This section is specifically designed to help you manage how Opera GX interacts with other browsers and syncs your data, making it easy to transfer your browsing information from Chrome. Now, within the synchronization section, you'll see an option that says Import Bookmarks and Settings with a left arrow beside it. Click on that left arrow to expand this option. This will reveal the import interface where you can choose which browser data you want to bring into Opera GX. Next, you'll see a drop-down menu appear on your screen. Click on this drop-down to view all available browser profiles that Opera GX can detect on your computer. From the list that appears, choose the Chrome profile you want to sync with Opera GX. This ensures you're pulling data from the correct account if you have multiple Chrome profiles set up. After selecting your Chrome profile, you'll notice several checkboxes below the drop-down. These checkboxes represent different types of data you can import, such as bookmarks, browsing history, saved passwords, autofill data, and more. Make sure to check all the checkboxes if you want a complete sync of your Chrome data into Opera GX. This way, you won't miss any important information during the transfer. Once you've verified that all the checkboxes are selected, click the Import button to begin the sync process. Opera GX will now start transferring all your selected data from Chrome. Depending on how much information you're importing, this might take a few moments, so give it some time to complete the process. And that's it! Your Chrome data is now synced with Opera GX, giving you access to all your bookmarks, passwords, and browsing history in your new browser. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.